Dreaming of a relaxing escape just outside of New York City? Welcome to Wander Black Creek. I'm Sarah and I'll be giving you a tour of this contemporary mansion that's inspired by Japanese countryside ryokans that has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and comfortably sleeps 8. This house is incredible, featuring amenities like a private gym, a hot tub, a sauna, a fireplace, and much more. So let's go look inside. This home is inspired by the owner's travels around the world. So you're gonna see 2 different design styles here, a minimalistic Scandinavian design and also a Japanese countryside ryokan home, which allows peace and tranquility. The living room is absolutely stunning and it's actually built in to be a sunken living room with a cozy couch looking at this wood burning fireplace. This is a great place to just cozy up at the end of the day. And you may be looking around and saying, is there a TV here? Well, there actually is, because there is a projector screen that comes down right here, so you can enjoy some movies at night or during the day, or you can just sit here and enjoy the floor-to-ceiling windows revealing that beautiful view of the Shawangunk Ridge right in front of you. That's really one of my favorite things about this room, is the fact that you do have this panoramic view looking at the landscape of those 25 private acres of land here. It's truly remarkable. This whole main area is designed to be an indoor-outdoor experience because many of those floor-to-ceiling windows double as doors that completely open up to the outside, bringing the outside in. And that's actually reflected through the interior design of this space. You'll notice that the floors are made with this really nice concrete material that extend out to the outdoors. Same with the ceiling, a beautiful oak paneled ceiling that continuously expands all the way to the outside area. And while you're looking at the ceiling, one of the things you will notice is that we have surround sound all throughout this space and the outdoor area, making your entire experience here just fully immersed. Plus, if you're not even using the surround sound, the sounds of nature, the birds chirping, we saw deers crossing earlier, it's just so incredibly peaceful. It really feels like your own private retreat. In the center of the living room, you have the dining table that comfortably sits 12 people, and behind that, there is a bar area with gorgeous glassware. We also have very high-end dishware for your use here, and all of it has this minimalistic style. You'll also notice Japanese touches throughout the space in the dishware and some of the artwork. There are plenty of experiences for dining here, so whether you're sitting at the dining room table for 12 or the kitchen island that has seating for 4, or there's also an outdoor dining area. This easily can fit, I would say, about 10 people. And there's beautiful views here from this outdoor patio. The outdoor patio stretches around the entire front of the house and has plenty of seating so you can enjoy the view. This is ideal for the warmer months, or even imagine if it snows here, it's probably absolutely magical. And now let's step into the kitchen where culinary dreams come to life. And this kitchen certainly is a dream because everything in here is incredibly luxurious and high-end, like this Perla Veneta quartz countertop that's completely custom and kind of waterfalls right into the sink, making a seamless blend. We also have Fisher & Paykel appliances and really anything you need to make a high-end meal here. We also have stuff for kids, so if you're traveling with little ones like I often do, we got you covered and you don't have to pack any of that. And there's also a separate prep kitchen right over here with mountain views. This room has everything you need to prep a fantastic meal. You have those beautiful quartzite countertops here, as well as an additional fridge and dishwasher, and all of the things you would need to make an amazing meal. I just love how everything opens up here so that you can just look out and have the best views you could ever imagine while cooking. I mean, it's truly a dream here. And in addition to that, right over here, we also have a wine fridge. I just love how everything blends so naturally into this space, making it look so minimalistic. You would never know this right here is actually the refrigerator. And right here, this is a coffee bar. It's just all so nicely integrated into the space, bringing in that Scandinavian minimalistic design. And now there's one additional room in this main space that I need to show you because it has a feature that I've never seen in a Wander house before. This is going to absolutely blow your mind. Now, to the untrained eye, this is just another entertainment space with a high-end TV and a Sonos speaker, or it could be a reading nook because this is truly a nice day bed to relax with plenty of fascinating books for you to choose from. However, if you look right here, there's a ladder going up. Let's go see what's up there. It's a private gym. Here you're gonna find everything you need to stay fit during your retreat, so you can work out inside or you can step right outside to your own private deck to complete that workout or just relax afterwards. And what I love here is you have those unparalleled views of the ridge. It's just a great way to enjoy the day. It's beautiful here, absolutely beautiful. To the side of the main living area, you do have a half bath for your convenience in this gorgeous rust tone red, and I just love the use of different textures here. You have this beautiful red tiling and then this textured wall here to create different elements throughout the space. Now let's go and see the office area. This custom built office also is a library, and it comes in two different parts with pocket doors separating each element for privacy. If you want to have a little reading session, there's a nice reading nook along this window. You can actually open the window all the way, revealing that beautiful view. And I just adore this chair. It is just so cozy with the different art hanging, just creating that peaceful, relaxing vibe. There's great books for you to choose from over here. Then on the other side of the room, you have the office space with built-in shelving. And of course, you have those lovely custom sofas right here. One of the benefits of staying at a Wander versus other properties is our high-end workstations. Even if you're here for a relaxing retreat, you're able to connect because we have high-speed internet across the entire property, and our workstations allow you to do that. And the great thing about them is all of the high-end technology that comes with them can be connected right to your computer with one wire. It's the easiest setup. Let's continue down the hallway where you will find our 4 bedrooms and a special oasis spa room, which I cannot wait to show you. It's insane. You're gonna love it. Before we get there though, I do want to talk a little bit about how they really brought the outdoors in here, and that's part of that immersive, relaxing, peaceful experience that you get the moment you step foot in this home. You have this beautiful tree that seems to be popping right out of the ground. You have a skylight that just brings in that natural sunlight, and then you have these beautiful oak paneled walls. But there's more to this wall than meets the eye, because hidden in the wall are 2 secret rooms. One is this bathroom, which has a high-end Toto toilet with a bidet and heated seat. You'll also find this toilet in the primary bathroom. This bathroom also has a steam spa in it, complete with a waterfall shower head to help you cool off. I mean, it feels like you're in a spa. And you haven't even got to the spa yet, so wait till I show you that. And to this side, you actually have a sink and stovetop, which is great if you want some tea in the evening and you don't want to head all the way to the kitchen. That's what I did the other day. It's just another added element that just makes this experience so incredibly peaceful. And then we have our primary bedroom right through this massive oak door. Come inside. This room is meant to be a restful retreat, and you get that feeling the moment you step in because of those floor to ceiling windows. It almost feels like you're sleeping in the forest. It's truly unforgettable sleeping here. The beds are extremely comfortable. Here at Wander, we invest in the latest in sleep technology, so you can completely adjust the bed to your unique needs, from firm to soft. Along the sides of each bed, you'll have wireless cell phone chargers, and that bed looks right out to that beautiful view. But if you're looking for some privacy, we also have automatic shades that can come down for your convenience with a remote to the side of the bed. The primary suite has a lavish bathroom featuring this gas jovel stove, a Hanoku Afuru soaking tub, a double vanity with dual concrete basin sinks, and tons of other really unique things. This soaking tub is amazing, and Japanese culture really values the bathing experience, so you're definitely going to have that here. It's super relaxing looking out to the views, and if you wanted to shower, you have that option as well. And one of the coolest features of the shower is that you can actually open the door so the outside can be brought in, bringing in that peaceful forest vibe to this whole room. You may be wondering where the storage is in this room because everything is so minimalistic, and one of the beautiful elements of that Scandinavian minimalistic design is most of the storage is hidden. If you look at this wall, these are all cabinets that open up so you can store your items, and there's also a walk-in closet in the hallway with tons of shelving, hangers, everything you need to store your items. Across from the primary suite, you have 3 other bedrooms. One bedroom has its own in-suite bathroom, and the other 2 bedrooms share a full in-suite bathroom as well. And this one has a deep soaking tub and a waterfall shower head as well. Now let's go check out my favorite part of this entire house, the Oasis Spa. Near all of the bedrooms, you will come to our Oasis Spa, or better known as a Japanese onsen experience. Now, for those of you that haven't been to Japan, the bathing ritual in Japan is extremely important. It's definitely something to relax, to indulge, and that's what you'll find in this house. There are 3 main elements to this experience. Right here, you have the shower area. This is where you would wash off before getting into the onsen. Now, traditionally, onsens are done in the nude, so you can decide if you want to do that or not. So you're going to wash off here and then head into the onsen. This is meant to replicate a hot spring in Japan, so we do have a waterfall that trickles in, adding to that tranquil sounds. You can open up the floor to ceiling windows and let the outside in. It really feels like you're part of the forest here because the tree line comes almost right up to the house. It's very, very peaceful. Or you could walk out to your private patio, enjoy the sunshine, incredibly lovely experience. And then when you're ready, you can step right into your own private sauna. Now, this house does have some Scandinavian design, and that's kind of the inspiration we have for this sauna. It's a very traditional Scandinavian sauna with the rocks. To do this properly, you need to heat the rocks and then pour the water over the rocks to create that steam. We'll have all of the instructions here in the house for your use for both of these pieces because they are very unique. This room also has built-in speakers so you can play music while you're enjoying this entire space. Overall, this is one of the coolest things we've ever had in a wander, and we really hope you enjoy the experience as much as we do. Ever feel overwhelmed on what to do during your trip? Don't worry, we got a travel guide to help you out with suggestions on things to do, eat, and see in the area. But if you need more specific help, our Wander Concierge can help you out with that. Simply text them at the number shown on screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, a milestone family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to celebrate unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to discover more about making your celebrations extraordinary. Thanks so much for joining me at the spectacular Wander Black Creek. We can't wait to welcome you. Now let's go out and explore the surrounding area because there is a ton of amazing things to do here. We'll see you soon.